In this video, we explore the Lua interface available in Vim 9.1 and demonstrate how to use a simple Vim plugin to run Lua scripts. With the integration of Lua Rocks modules and the powerful Lua LSP, Vim serves as an efficient development environment for Lua, enhancing workflow and optimizing the coding experience. Vim has a built-in Lua interface when compiled with the Lua feature. For example, to check the version of Lua included in Vim, this can be done by running the buffer shown here using the command Lua file. For a more in-depth exploration, please visit our website via the link provided in the description. The Lua script shown here utilizes a Lua module, installed using the Lua Rocks package manager, to query a remote server, enabling client-server communication. Our Vim plugin also accommodates the use of debugger.lua, a pure Lua single-file debugger that is easy to use and integrate into any project. As shown here, breakpoints are set using a simple function akin to setTrace in Python. We strongly encourage you to check the link in the description for an extensive blog post where we also describe how to install and configure the language server protocol and our Vim plugin. We would appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribe to our channel for future updates.